Today, I'll be showing you how to remove the battery cover on a 2021 Mustang. You'll find the battery located in the engine compartment, in front of the firewall, on the passenger side of your vehicle. To gain access to the battery, remove the 3 plastic fasteners holding your cover in place. Hand turn the fasteners counterclockwise, then pull them up from their base once loose. Now that the fasteners are out, lift the leading edge of the battery cover and pull it toward the front of the Mustang. With the cover removed, we have a clear view of the battery. Reinstall the battery cover by sliding the tabs on the back of the cover into the matching slots on the cowl panel. Then lower the cover to conceal the battery. To finish up, insert the plastic fasteners back into the battery cover and hand tighten until secure. If you'd like to learn more about the 6th generation Mustang, check out one of the video recommendations coming up next. Thanks for watching.